kapiling ka na. Labis, labis akong nasasabi ko.
When I look at you, I see the man who taught me what love truly means. I promise to be your biggest fan, your loudest cheerleader, and your safest place. I vow to honor you, to respect you, and to love you fiercely.
I feel a peace in me rise. I never knew love could be
Do Marie, nangako ako sa'yo na buong puso't diwa, ikaw ang aking forever, aking partner sa buhay. Mamahalin kita sa bawat sandali, sa mga ngitit luha, sa mga tagumpay at pagsubok. Mahal na mahal kita, ngayon hanggang sa huling hininga ko.
And I know that I've fallen.
Thank you for choosing me to be your wife. I'll never stop choosing you. You are my best friend, my partner, and my greatest love.
I just wanna love you well with all that I am.
Hinding-hindi ako mapapagod at hinding-hindi ako magsasawa kahit topakin ka at tampuhin. Lagi kitang susuyuin, lahat ng ayaw mo, gagawin ko. Kung ayaw mong maglaba, maglalaba ako. Kung ayaw mong magluto, ako ang magluluto.
I promise to laugh with you, cry with you, and grow old with you. Today and every day, I choose you as my husband, my teammate, and my forever love.
Forever cherishing your heart.
Sa puli niya po Diyos na attire is the spiritual attire. Pinapamagdugwa ba? Pinamangnaasi? Pinalipa?
And I just wanna love you well with all that I am. So I give you my heart.
Kung pagod ka na, hahaplusin kita hanggang sa ang pakiramdam mo'y guminhawa. Mahal na mahal kita. Sa bawat pagkakataon, ikaw lagi ang una kong iisipin. Hanggang sa kabilang buhay, ikaw ang aking pipiliin.
I know that I'm falling so fast for you.
Today, I stand before you, surrounded by love, to become your wife. I promise to love you in good times and bad, in sickness and in health. I will cherish you, respect you, and support you as we build our life together. You are my greatest blessing, and I vow to love you every day for the rest of my life.